Bo, who's the party pooper?
Don't look at me.
Guys, we need some help up here. Sorry, buddies. I'm receiving signals of pain. I can't go on with a party like this. Pain? What kind of pain? It's like a sudden throbbing sensation that keeps bothering me. Thing is, Doctor, can you explain this to them? I can't play teacher today.
Are you sure you need my help? You always love to see my Thunderbrain.
Seriously, not now.
Okay. Well, pain is a complex phenomenon that involves multiple processes in the nervous system.
What do you mean, doctor?
When there's tissue damage or inflammation, specialized nerve cells called nociceptors in the affected area are activated and send electrical signals to the spinal cord and brain.
Wait, but do all pains feel the same?
Nope, there are types of nerve fibers that carry different qualities of pain sensation. Some fibers carry fast, sharp pain signals that are associated with tissue damage, while other slower fibers carry signals that are associated with inflammation.
I understand, but why do some people feel more pain than others, even with the same injury or condition?
That's a great question. The perception of pain can also be influenced by various factors such as expectations, anxiety, stress, and past experiences.
Wow, poor brain.
Okay. Now, can you tell me why I'm in so much pain?
Okay, let's see. Oh, I see what the problem is. Seems that we accidentally sat on a cactus.